sort of information which is coming in as far as specific stocks are concerned. Zee is down about 5.5% as things stand right now. Vamakshi is here with details. Numbers came out earlier. Vamakshi, tell us.
Well, Prashant, to begin with, we were working with already muted expectations given that Q1 was a seasonally weak quarter across players, given the shift to IPL-led advertising expenses. And, Zee has missed those muted expectations this time around, which is why the stock is reeling under pressure as of now. Take a look at the ad revenues. They dipped by almost 17% on a year-on-year basis. The street was working with a 14 to 15% year-on-year dip. Now, the subscription revenues, which had been growing for 8 consecutive quarters until Q4 of FY25, have also dipped this time around to 0.6%. In fact, when you look at other sales and services, they're also seeing a sharp cut of almost 64%, and that is because there were no major movie releases from Zee this time around. So therefore, when you look at the revenues, it's a downtick of almost 14% overall, and it's a 6% miss as far as our own estimates are concerned. On the other hand, when you look at the margins, they've managed to improve by 40 basis points, and that is because the total operating expenses have dipped by almost 14% on a year-on-year basis. So therefore, the company has been highlighting that they have been undertaking cost control measures, and that is flowing through the margins. The margins have come in a tad bit better than what the street was anticipating. The net profit, though, when we look at it on an adjusted basis, keep in mind that Q1 FY25 did have some exceptional items, but there are no exceptional items in Q1 of FY26. But after adjusting for that, there is a decline of almost 7% on a year-on-year basis. And the decline in the net profit is actually supported partly because the other income for the company saw an uptick of almost 32%. So thereby, it is offsetting some of the decline in net profit. But overall, can't take away from the fact that it's a miss as far as street expectations are concerned.
It absolutely is. And if you put two and two together, promoters are not getting to increase their stake in the company, at least not through that warrant route. Numbers are bad. What about leadership? What about pulling the company out of the funk? We'll see. But thanks very much, Vamakshi, for getting us the updates on this one. Zee is sliding quite a bit now at the session lows. Okay, let's go back to Mitesh and get a sense of stocks and ideas. Mitesh, your